Serwaa amihene Henry Fitz nsema aba ye kanu nipa bebre ka se wo se Serwaa ede eye Henry court because eye videos na abeto abontin no wonye aware sanso na nipa bebre keka se wo se Henry so ede asem ne kokko na nsam yi aye makabi nsem bebre wo se Serwaa de court wo se Henry so de court ni de kwa wan na obedi nkunu wan ye bebua ne fo akwase abuaje ne lawyer Martin edin komo o Peace FM so na lawyer no de adwenkyere kwan ye wo se wo mo mienu nyina mo fa so a wo mo de court ankunimdie beba no menje lawyer nanum nsam enka me ntie lawyer no nia owo ede maefa Serwaa ne Henry nsam a abeto dwen ma yentie mra sisia
this day 8th day of 4 that's April 4 is April so 2024 nkrata na wasin sign in account but senior be ya betimi nya nkrata yi nsem ya makin kan mu ntiase ye pa no yenko na yeni ora Martin Kpebu oyemrenim ni yeni nkomo Martin ba joti min kan
ai ya kesi abuaje
ya da se wie pa eni adaje nso awenya amaye so makin kan nkrata ya matiefo na buayen kakra senior sikin kan se bia wo bono tofa chechi mu a edi amaya na emremu no ntiase apese enya ho ne sen pa
okay enti yeo mu ne se Serwaa edi asem no akodan peaceful se obi de video a eyi na deja adano ye analysis ye hu se adu ne nefo side nteno so ni na deja okay edi ato abonten abra ono wa makwan say emphasize video no to abonten okay that's the complaint you just say police na police so edi akokot ti na ya boss depend say kwadu that's Eden Savior Keti and kwachiwa the Candila kwachiwa abedu and the Henry Fitz nana amponsa right yeah ti omo na ya bo mu kwedi na omo say omo hu Henry ono oye at large open can say some the police and sang kano yes enti ni e chero ni e wo mu no ba yen kan hu say asem kokota ye ni ye odi bim ene ni odi for say what the asem akodan court ba say na court ni beko asem na so far no kromo nyem Henry let say ni sabi na police phones account I hope that now ya more be into let say asem no you be you court into way and say years upon years for near cover because the omina fa lawyers obese na kwa technical edipan e was say omuye lawyer put charge omunti na kwa agreement na kwa say all those things and here better kakra and stand the assembly thanks betting about the class so police for betting at the moment away on the castle the council case and also walk
I see
preliminary no
I see
I abang tiny coming saying that na police meeting the woman
okay so krata na epia bontin ba ko wa hanum sin a efi na me ba bekin kan no aboa na etimi ate honum se yase na sakrata no D Inspector Atakojo Addison so I'm sure say IC will be in charge of the case na nyoma tro bro from nie brief fact complainant in this case Serwaa Amihia is a media personality residing at Chado blah 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 the date is there AI Adam Savior Keti is a filmmaker residing at Ajinga and Accra. Now A2 Candilaf Kwachua Bebio is a trader residing at Chimota Kingsby Accra. A3 Henry Amponsa at Henry Fitz now at large. On the 3rd of December 2023 the complainant's makeup artist an the pen actual called to inform her that someone had texted her demanding an amount of 5,000 Ghana cedis with a pretext that he had the complainant's nude pictures. The said amount should be sent to the MTN mobile money account number 05582472205. which bears the name Edem Serwaa Keti. On the 2nd of April 2024, another MTN number 055-5252-660 called and demanded an amount of 20,000 Ghana cedis to be sent within a minute, or else he will post the nude videos of the complainant, and he succeeded in taking the ransom. Still went ahead and posted the nude pictures of the complainant on social media handles. On the 3rd of April 2024, the complainant filed a complaint with the police, and upon surveillance mounted, A1 was arrested at his hideout at Jowlu. During investigations, he admitted to having used his Ghana card to register the said MTN mobile money account number 0558247205 and gave same to A2, which she subsequently gave same number to A3. And since he has been using the said number till date, efforts are underway to apprehend A3 to face the law. The case is under investigation officer. So when you see now when any Martins.
Okay. So at them no okay the police for say they can say what every assem at the down say and obi every nadeja video akoto abontin a ono one place so non-consensual distribution of video no.
Okay.
So say you can only have one thing.
Okay.
Complain no. It is a video nadeja woman. Not the one place to say libra extra man saying tumra. Of course, because now also maybe almost about the year no. But for now no. The police for the say what they know and the court. Of course, we if you now said they be assembly while almost in case they be a young fan court. As some case the court they are not just almost about it's not more but no church and so about judge in a better.
Okay.
And you are somehow so for more investigations which say number 9 the number F-ray or more. F-ray say one say only 5,000 Ghana. Only 5,000. Say they are on video now. I was a big Ghana. They use the 12 on team. And okay, so even next fact. Okay, I say 5,000. 8 no. You can't have rare. I said they be and 5,000 you only 20,000. 20 so income 200 million.
Okay.
The first one here 5 million. And the second one is 200 million, 20,000. Okay. Now if you should not police why you know. Almost say a number no almost tracy who say at them a Serwaa Keti or no and ordinary details every day.
Okay.
Now almost to no or G2 must say yes, I'm part or no register no register no or the ma Candilave Kwachiwa no.
Okay.
Second accused no.
Okay.
Now second accused also say on also or the number no at the ma Ted.
Okay.
Henry.
Okay.
And I Fitz no. Now Henry na you no. And so far no police for the almost say number no can asem no say number the wabo ama man for ati almost say number no afre almost that's why afre say what aka say on first say yimra oh unche say and to mumu so okay and yes and you be na data video no apa oh so that's where okay I say adane analysis here can say hey hono dia no she uko kasi fasika bra
yeah
and dia no she papa but police for ya be when say the musia o man say no o the case not to near I say or say or any video no one place so internet say what there so far from the analysis on case security and all your complaints no because anka sika no na omudi complain anka omudi beto ne no because hono de anka no court bua ofo a judge no de achewa that or de ache accused person no minimum 10 years and a maximum 25.
Wow.
Ba nyamin cha de nye hono mo de asa because
that's so true.